Hi, my name is Stella Metsavas, and today I'm going to show you a simple, quick, and easy way to make a healthy spaghetti using vegetables. Okay, so we're going to cut up two of my favorite vegetables, carrots and zucchini. And look at this. Here is the prepared dish. You know you want to watch this whole segment because you may not ever crave real pasta again. All right, so we're going to take a carrot and zucchini. So I would say 3 zucchini and 3 carrots will generate about 2 or maybe 3 servings, depending on how hungry you are. You're going to want to get a tool like this that is essentially like a mandolin. You can use a mandolin, which is just fine. I prefer doing it by hand. You're going to cut each individual piece. They come off just like strands of spaghetti. When you're done, you're going to prepare your spaghetti sauce by adding a little bit of red onion to some medium-high heat, about a tablespoon of olive oil. After that, you're going to add the spaghetti-like vegetables. In this case, we're using carrot and zucchini. You're going to allow it to cook for about 2 minutes on medium-high heat, and that's when you're going to want to add your tomato sauce. I prefer using chopped tomatoes. You're going to season it with a little bit of sea salt, just a tiny bit here, because we're using vegetables. And if you use too much sea salt, the water is going to just drain out of the veggies and you're going to be left with the soup. Finally, if you'd like to add some red hot chili pepper flakes, like I do, to make it arrabbiata, which means spicy in Italian, you can do so. Okay, so now we have plated the dish. Here it is again. I topped it with some fresh Parmigiano Reggiano. So good. See, there's my fake Italian accent. Do you like it? All right, so my name is Stella Metsavas. Enjoy, be healthy, and have fun with this vegetable pasta.